do, but good for him. He spent some time in China, put his time in, he's back. Steph Curry.
Easily, as Jim said, kind of a solo artist. Durant, his first shot is a dunk. And he missed that wide right. Steph with a great look ahead. KD with a better pass. That's Warriors. You know, his brother Juancho Hernan Gomez. What a look. Kind of inch their way back into the game. Nick Young. I can't remember at all the three of them sitting early in the game.
Livingston. He'd taken 3 shots. They were all threes. Now he's 1 of 4.
The Knicks 4 of 10. Draymond, beautiful feed. Steph wanted it in. Jarrett Jack had 10 in the first half. How about Pachulia with a nice steal? Durant to Draymond to lay it up and in. Curry watching KD the whole time. And Clay slips through. Curry. Show and go. What a block. 2 and 1. Splash Brothers in motion. Curry 3. Yes. West with the rebound. Clay, great look. He gives down for Cutter. He somehow finds Curry on the other end. Better ball movement with the shot clock at 1. And Draymond hit
the second half than he was in the first half.
Right.
He was very passive in the first half.
That was a super long closeout. He still got there.
Oh, Steph. And a big gets switched out on